Bakemas Day 13. We're in the home stretch. There's only this episode and then 2 more. But today we are doing a chocolate peanut butter pretzel cookie mix in a jar. So of course you will need a quart-sized jar. I'll leave a link to these exact ones down below for you guys if you are in need of jars. To start, we're going to need 1.5 cups of flour, to which we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that all together. Get yourself a canning funnel, and if you don't have one, you don't have to go buy one. You can just make one with foil or parchment paper or wax paper. Just fold it into a cone shape, tape it or fold it. It just makes filling up your jar a lot easier. So we're gonna go ahead and put our flour mixture into the bottom of our jar. I'm going to take my 1/4 cup measuring spoon and press a bunch of the air out of our flour. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's gonna help us make room for the rest of our ingredients. And then give it a little shimmy to even out that layer. On top of our flour, we're going to put a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. And we're gonna pack that down. On top of that, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of white sugar. Give that a shake. Now onto the delicious part. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Level those out. On top of those, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of peanut butter chips. Level those out. Oh, I think I was supposed to put them in the opposite order. Oh well, this is where we're at. Lastly, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of chopped pretzels, ideally into our jar. I would recommend putting the peanut butter chips first and then the chocolate chips and then the pretzel just for some color contrast, but we did it. Our chocolate peanut butter pretzel cookie mix in a jar. Go ahead and put your lid on. I'm gonna pop on a gnome gift tag. If you've been watching my Bakemas episodes, you'll remember that I've been using gift tags that have a jingle bell on them, and I ran out and the Dollar Tree was all out because they were great gift tags, but the Dollar Tree also had this 104 pack, so of course I got that. Then I'm gonna pop on a bow, and it's ready to go to my gift recipient. So unfortunately, my microphone died. Once you have constructed your gift in a jar, you will need to print off the instructions that your gift recipient will need in order to bake these cookies. So I will leave those down below, as well as the instructions for you to create this cookie mix in a jar. And this is not my recipe. I borrowed this from the Domestic Geek YouTube channel, so I will link her video down below. If you would gift this cookie mix to someone, give this video a big thumbs up. There are still 2 more Bakemas episodes to come, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that you're notified when the next episodes come out. And if you haven't seen the first 12 episodes of Bakemas, be sure to go check those out. Click here on the screen, and I will see you guys there.